you choose a fantasy, okay, and map from point P to point Q. I have the coordinates now of point Q, you see, which is, in this case, in this particular case, point Q is pi over 2 and pi over 3. I calculate that. Okay, when I do that, then I create several pairs, phi and theta, and map back, you see, alpha minus 1. Then that's why I construct the chart U. That's clear what I'm saying. First, you get point Q, okay, that over here, okay. Then around Q, you choose several pairs of phi and theta and map back, then you construct U. That's in the literature. It's a little bit confused. See, that's why I have to be clear what I'm saying here. Okay, now you know how to construct a chart in a manifold. Okay.